What is up, guys? It's your boy Dominic from MDP Auto, and in today's video we're doing a little upgrade to the MDP detail van. We got this brand new Giraffe Tools pressure washer reel. Super excited. Should be a simple install. Let's get into it. So one of the main reasons we really want to upgrade this thing is this is the second or third time it broke. Once it freezes over, this line always breaks, and it is red Loctited in there. Tried so many times to try to get it out just so we could replace this fitting instead of the entire reel. Also, it's a manual reel, so it's always a mess. Things break, it sucks, it is what it is, but you just got to persevere, upgrade, get better on the next one, and keep it moving. Whenever we think of upgrade anything in the van, Giraffe Tools is always our go-to. As you guys can tell, we have the indoor pressure washer and indoor vacuum, along with the indoor extension, and now we're gonna have a nice little reel setup. So super excited. Big shout out to Giraffe Tools. Even though they don't sponsor us, just love their products. Their products are amazing. Keep it going. So let's get started with the disassembly of this bad boy. Start off with the simplest thing. Obviously, just disconnect this. Next thing is going to be disconnecting from the pressure washer side, I believe, and then we're gonna start unbolting these 4 bolts. All right, so I'll just shut off the water valve right there, so we don't got no leaking. We're still gonna get some water coming out of here though, but it is what it is. Nice and easy. Spins right off. Easy. So we're back here. I want to say those are 13s, so we'll get some 13s millimeter wrenches and sockets. Actually, I think they're, yeah, 9/16 actually. Oh, you ain't even a nut on that one. Alright, bolts are loose. Should just lift right up. Reel's out. Alright, let's get to unboxing the new Giraffe Tools reel. Nice. It comes with a nice whip hose. Saves us the time from messing with a new one. All right. So here's this beautiful reel. We have 2 options. You can either wall mount this like we have the rest of our reels up here, or we can mount it onto the bottom here as it was before. Only thing is we're going to have to spin this arm downward or upward the other way, just so when we're pulling in and out, it's a lot easier. We got a little discouraged. It says do not disassemble the spring on this side, so we loosened up the screw because we weren't sure what it meant by disassembling the spring from this side, but loosened the screw just to see, because I saw these adjustment holes, and this is obviously where it holds, so only other thing that kind of disassembles that would be this nut. Took it apart, so that gives you actually adjustability to where you want it to sit. Right now, right about there is where we want it. And we'll cinch it down. Nice and easy. Now, she's not moving. So I'm going to use one of the existing holes at the bottom here, just as like a little bit of an alignment. And that seems like a perfect spot for us right here. I'm going to make markings for the 3 other holes. We're going to drill them out on the right size. Might actually just clean the threads on these because these are a little beat up. But clean those up, drill the holes, install them, and then we'll start working on the whip hose. Best tools. Nice and easy. So it looks like we only got 3 nuts, 4 bolts. Should be enough though. We'll slip this little guy right in here. Push the bolts in. Nice and easy. She ain't going nowhere. There we go. So you're gonna grab the whip hose, you're gonna connect it here. Naturally, that's where it'll be. Don't forget your Teflon. Just give her a little snug. That's all she needs. It's a brass fitting with, I don't think it's aluminum, but you don't want to strip it out. That's gonna be your worst thing to do. Okay, so feed this puppy down back in here. And now we could take this old whip hose, send it down there as well. Get rid of that one. Let's go on this other side. We do have a little bit of a jerry rig set up here. We do have whatever pressure washer hose came with the Ryobi 1900. We just use that kind of as the whip hose just because obviously the whip hoses that always come with the units aren't long enough. So we always just kind of roll it up, put it in here. Not the best thing, but it works for what we need it. That'll do the job. Now we can reconnect it to the pressure washer. Quite frankly, not sure why I unplugged it in the first place. I was thinking there'd be pressure in it and so it would make it a little difficult, but this has been down for a little bit, so obviously there's no pressure, but if there's pressure in yours, make sure to drain it, unplug it, etc. Cool, let's connect again. We just got to steal our old quick disconnect from the old reel, so we could throw it on the new one here. Ones it comes with, it's literally just so it connects right here, and it kind of connects there forever, in a sense. We have these quick disconnects, makes our life a little easier when we're switching guns or anything like that, or different tools. There we go. So I'm about to give power to the pressure washer, let it boot up, let it make some pressure in the lines so we can see if we have any leaks and I guess fix any leaks that we may have. So fingers crossed. Everything works as it should. We got no leaks in the lines anywhere, so we are good to go. Last and final adjustment, since this is all personal preference at that point. Ours hangs out a little too far. We don't like that. So you just grab a Phillips. Lefty loosey. Should let it slide to our desired length. Might have to hock two on a little bit. Give her a nice slide. Thinking right about there is good for us. Cinch her down so it doesn't move. And we're all good. Nice, easy reel install. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day. Make your dreams possible, boys. Peace.